Welcome back to Handy Headquarters and the second episode of our shed conversion. We're going to be handling the plumbing and a bit of the electrics on this one, and I hope you enjoy it. And if you haven't, please subscribe and give us a like and leave us some comments and follow us on the rest. There's going to be quite a few videos still coming up for the rest of the project, so hope you enjoy and hope you learn something. Cheers.
Then I have a little souvenir from this job.
Nice little tool to use for cleaning copper pipe or any pipe.
What?
Yeah, it's got a little 45-degree one side and inside, inside and outside.
Oh,
so
yeah.
you get
one time we'll come to your toolbar and make a video from that.
yeah.
You have all nice tools.
Tool.
The tool.
Yeah. There you go.
Yeah.
We have a nice little clean. We need one little piece of copper and a little drain valve that's going in here. It has an O-ring already, so you don't have to use sealing material. That goes in there, like that. And the idea is we want to take the tap off and put it here. So T-piece in here, so this tap can come off already.
You take it off?
Yeah.
Is it water closed?
Yeah.
Inside?
Yeah. I'm not twisting the pipe. You want to just check under the sink. Just under the sink, just to make sure I'm not twisting the pipe with it. Just under the sink, here's the pipe coming through, yeah? You feel it?
Yeah. You don't know what you come in. Oh, she comes out.
Yeah. I've never used this tape, this is fiber tape.
Keep it here.
Yeah, because I'm keeping the tap here.
Huh?
The tap's going back on here.
Oh, I see. You want.
Now I've got the T-piece in there. I'm going to put the tap back on here. And just to secure the olive, I'll use a bit of Teflon because I don't have. It just helps lubricate it. Huh?
Strip it up.
Yeah, but it's kind the nuts on the inside. Eh?
It shouldn't be necessary.
No, it shouldn't be necessary, but it helps lubricate the. If you don't use a transfer paste, then the Teflon works. Put a bit of silicone in there. Yeah, so we're using the speed pipe made by Speedfit or John Grist. This stuff here, the Pushfit people from 1961. John Grist Speedfit. So it's a triple layer. It's got a EPDM, I think it is, material on the inside. Then it's got an aluminium layer, and then it has another phytoplastic layer, 15 millimeter, the same as copper. So you can go directly from copper to this. Yeah, three at least. Three.
Right.
See if it'll come through. Push through. Yeah, it's coming. Yeah. It's through.
You need a piece, at least, let's say 200 at the end. 300.
So we're using a bending spring to make the bend easier, or stop the pipe from collapsing. And we need around 200 mil. A nice bend, and the pipe doesn't collapse. There you go. We have a 90, and then you get a special pair of nippers which cut the pipe just to length. So even if the end of the pipe is factory, you also should cut a little piece off. And it's just basically like a Stanley knife blade that's inside. And you get a very nice, clean cut. And you don't have to do anything to it. You need to put these inside the pipe. You've got the little piece of pipe. These go inside here like this, and they just push in, and that gives the pipe some strength on the inside. So when the olive is going over the top, it doesn't crush the pipe. Nut goes on, and the olive. Insert piece. Yeah. And you slip this inside. Make sure it's all the way in. And don't have to over tighten it and crush it to bits. This has to be nipped up gently or seal. That should do it. And we can bring that insulation right out. So now we need a T-piece in order to go. We need one straight on here to go to the washing machine, and we need another one that will go over the top here to the outside tap. Okay. Cut the pipe here. The pipe has little markings on it. Here you can see here. And that means that if you cut it on the mark, when you insert the fitting, it must be exactly one mark distance in. That means you know you've got it all the way in and not halfway. So then we put an insert into this end, slip it in without damaging the O-ring. And then it's a matter of pushing this in. A little bit fiddly here.
If that comes out, it doesn't matter, you can just pop it back in again. And I'm going to drill it up the ways, so I'll maybe start here. So a little bit of pipe coming out. Yeah.
Yes, okay.
Test the water.
A problem here.
Eh?
A problem here.
What? Oh, whoa. You can turn it off. Yeah, it's coming from the pipe. Oh. Turned out the O-ring had been displaced when pushing the pipe in, so just reset the O-ring and push the pipe back in, and now for a quick test. You can turn it on, yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Now we have no leaks.
It's okay now?
Yeah. Yeah, it seems happy.
Seems happy?
Yeah, it's totally sealed. Yeah. It's connected. Leave the old 3 in there. Interesting. Right. Should have power. Good morning, welcome back to Handy Headquarters. We're now a week and a half into this shed conversion into a laundry room, and on Saturday we put a cement self-equalizing cement floor in, so it's now dry enough to stand on. And last week we also put in a double contact here, electrics, double socket, one for the washing machine and one for the dryer. We put in the laundry tap, so a self-aerating tap. And we put in an extra contact here, as well as the light switch. And yeah, so we also made some additional plumbing. So we added another tap, which goes around to the outside of the shed here. You can just see it through the window here. So relocated the garden tap, it's a little bit more handy for the lady. But we left the other one where it was. So it's still right here. And the only thing is we added a T-piece here.
and we added a draining valve here, so this section of pipe, the complete shed, can be drained if necessary, if there's a big freeze. But I don't think that should be necessary, but just a precaution. So now on to the next part of the job is to do the drywalling, and we'll start by putting a membrane on the wall, so ceiling membrane to keep the moisture out. And we've closed all the holes up with concrete, with cement everywhere, so where we could. And now our next job is setting up the drywall frame. So, thanks for sticking with us this far on episode 2, and roll on episode 3, the next part of the job. There's quite a lot of videos coming, I think probably 5, 6, 7, maybe 8 videos still to come on this job. It's ended up being quite a big task. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, leave me a like, and above all, leave me some comments, so questions, or if you think I'm doing something the wrong way, please let me know. And we'll see you in episode 3. Hope you learned something. Cheers. Bye. On with the job.